Hey, what's up guys? It's Team Hard Life Captain Alberto Zertuche here, and I want to do a quick update on the drawing. We've got about 50 something tickets. It's a little over 50, like 51, 52. However, that's all we need to get this drawing done. So, just wanted to give you a heads up on that. It is for 6 MXL Raptors, rod, reel, and line with tackle, which is 3 liters and 3 weights, or surf weights, whichever which way you go. And then we have a 7th place, which is tackleindustries.com or Vexen rods. You get to go into their website and pick a rod that you want. They will ship it to you for free. The 8th place is $100 worth of gator spoons of your pick. You come into the shop or you can call us and we can work out how what kind of gator spoons you want or need for your fishing. Now, on that note, I just want to give you a heads up on what is going on with the tackle industries and the Vexen. So,
gotta bite. I think I got a lot of stress on my mind. It's a nice day to go. Yeah, I got a line. I'ma call the whole team.
Woohoo! Just got some Whataburger coupons. So again, I'm going to show you the new tackle industries. Well, they're not new, but they're new to us because we never really ordered them. But with everything going on, I figured it would be a good way to also open the doors for the guys that like these style of rods and stuff like that. So check this out. So because my little deal is still busted, I can't give the angle down. However, these are the other tackle industries that we just got in, and I'm going to go through here. And yes, it's a split grip. Yeah, and actually I think I'm going to fall in love with these myself, just because look at the way it is. I mean, you got that carbon fiber look right there, and then also too, I noticed that the grip is a few inches higher, which means I should be getting an even stronger cast out of it. Let's see, hold on, let me do a side-by-side real quick. I'm really excited. I'm telling you, this is, oh, there's a rod already out of the bag. So, real quick so you can check this out. Oh, no. For some reason, yesterday when I saw it, I was like, oh, okay, cool, it's a little higher. No, it's the same length. I keyed. But still, that is a pretty awesome look compared to the old style of the straight across. So this is something else. Even these rods can be part of the raffle if you want to go with split grip or solid grip. And I believe the Vexens also come in that same deal. So I'm definitely going to get with them today and find out if they have them available. And if they do, I'm definitely going to get some in, just because, like I said, not everybody likes a solid grip handle at the bottom. I like that. I don't know, it just makes it feel like I got so much more power, but it's the same length. So, I don't know. I like that. I really do. That carbon fiber look on the bottom is pretty cool. Yeah. Let's see. And then also too, we've had a lot of requests for this style of rod. Yes, we got some spinning rods in the tackle industry and the Vexens. Yep, we've had a lot of requests for this rod right here. They come in 8'6" in their length, and yes, it's still an 8150 pound class rod. Yeah. Oh, that thing looks beast. See, the guys that fish the jetties, some of them love to powerhouse their baits in, or throw out their lures even further. And okay, I lied, I didn't get the spinning rods and the Vexen in. But now, I'm definitely interested in one, getting the split grips in the Vexen, because I want to know if they do have them. And then 2, getting the spinning rods in the Vexen, because we obviously have them. And here's one of them, one of the older ones that we've had in the collection for about 2 years now. And you know, you can tell it's being used. It's just, it is what it is. But yes, we got some rods. just wanted to let everybody know that they are available for the drawing as well. There's even the new split grip one. So yes, sir. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, another thing too, man. Did some shipping, and when they got here, they were kind of busted open on one side. And immediately I noticed that it was taped closed, and I was like, well, that ain't good. So I'm gonna have to get back with the rod manufacturer, but you can see there where it's all beat up right here on the tip. So that scares me a lot because, ooh, look at that. Yep. It's already broken from right there. Dang it. Dang it. Well, that and quantity of the rods too. Yep. That's just one. So now we got to check them all from that case because what if a couple of the other rods were broken too? Looks pretty good. See, I love that. Yeah. Y'all good. All right, so there are the rods. Yes, beautiful, all the way up. Yes, yes, yes. Yep, I didn't even bother to unwrap that one because I mean there's no reason to. It's a busted rod. So sad day for a fishing rod. Oh man.